The views expressed are my views. They're not of this channel. Khehlelezi ngusixova udaka zi-dumped wings. Ndizonqibela Khehlelezi lingerie mna. Ndinqibela uTikolosh lingerie. No.
Hayi sisungambizo. Okay.
And he lied. Hustlers corner wathi uniki 3,000. The guy is broke. Kanganike ne-5 rand. I didn't even ask money from him.
He got baby oils, like he calls it baby oils.
Just like PDD. Une baby oils. I was so shocked when baby oil one for one times I saw a corpse fileyo endlini ka Dr. Khehlelezi. I decided to keep quiet, to keep my peace.
You were doing it for the
DJ Spoo did not inform me that he's recording me. And he put that voice note without my consent. I paid a lawyer 5,000 to have that recording removed. As DJ Spoo njwayela kabi. Ayungiqhela amasimba DJ Spoo. Dr. Khehlelezi bribed a sergeant who was assigned to my case, Sergeant Maboko. He bribed him. Do you know that Khehlelezi hires people to pretend to be brigadier to abaniki 500 when women want to go open cases against him. Abaniki ama 500 rands lamntu action to brigadier.